The fate of the man accused of killing Detroit synagogue leader Samantha Woll is now in a jury's hands.
Closing arguments wrapped up earlier this afternoon in Michael Jackson-Bolanos' trial. CBS News Detroit's Jordan Burroughs has been following this case for us. He's live now from the Frank Murphy Hall of Justice in downtown Detroit. Jordan?
The Terrence chain of this trial on day 15 just seems long and methodical, even though talking to people about this trial didn't think it was going to go this long. But tomorrow will be day 16, the first day of jury deliberations, which means it's up to them to decide if Michael Jackson-Bolanos is guilty of murdering Samantha Woll. The judge, jury, prosecution, and defense have been in court for 15 days. Dozens of witnesses, rebuttals, arguments, and evidence presented. Closing arguments wrapped up Tuesday with one final word from both defense attorney Brian Brown and Wayne County Assistant Prosecutor Ryan Elsey in the murder trial of Samantha Woll.
When you go into your deliberations, you're going to get jury instructions. They want you guys to wrongfully convict Mr. Jackson-Bolanos of first-degree felony murder. They cannot meet any of their elements to this crime.
I can't tell you what exactly happened inside of Samantha Woll's apartment, inside her home on October 21st of 2023. I can't tell you exactly what happened. But you don't need to know exactly what happened to know that she was murdered and to know that the defendant is the murderer.
The prosecution started the day off by telling the jury there are too many coincidences and circumstances that should convince jurors that Michael Jackson-Bolanos should be found guilty. The main evidence was a jacket allegedly belonging to Jackson-Bolanos that had bloodstains on it. It was tested for Samantha Woll's blood, and tests showed more likely than not it is Woll's blood. Prosecutors also mentioned and showed in court what they say are lies to the police on the record.
Once he's caught, he has nothing but lies to offer. Nothing but lie after lie after lie after lie after lie.
The defense addressed the jury by denying the prosecution's claims and said Michael Jackson-Bolanos was, quote, in the wrong place at the wrong time. They said the evidence does not line up. For example, how authorities reportedly did not find any DNA or fingerprints belonging to Jackson-Bolanos, and he allegedly never entered Woll's home. Defense attorney Brian Brown said Jackson-Bolanos feels regretful he did not do more to get help to Samantha Woll.
I can look at the evidence, I can use my common sense, and come to a conclusion that I know for a fact that Mr. Michael Jackson-Bolanos had nothing, absolutely nothing, to do with the death of Samantha Woll.
Again, Detroit synagogue leader Samantha Woll was found stabbed to death outside of her Detroit home October 21st of last year. It was a witness, that's someone that found her outside her home at 6:30 that same morning. Michael Jackson-Bolanos is facing a charge of felony murder, first-degree murder, home invasion, and lying to a peace officer. Reporting live in downtown Detroit, Jordan Burroughs, CBS News, Detroit.
We've been covering this trial every day. We will continue to until that jury has a verdict. Thank you, Jordan.